Hello, everyone. Welcome to the zombie makeup session with me. My name is Wednesday.
It's nice to meet you all.
Yes!
This is a pencil case.
Come on, let's go. La la la.
Good job! This looks so good!
Good.
Let's do it with me!
That's great!
Wow, that's amazing!
Good!
Okay. I want new hair.
Hair dye.
Let's dye our hair together. Let's go!
Wow!
I love this hair color.
Okay.
This is BB cream.
Very good.
Ta-da!
Oh.
I love this skin tone.
Let's fix the eyebrows.
Ooh. I love it. Come on, let's go.
Oh.
It looks really scary.
Oh.
Yes!
I like it.
Apply blush with me. Let's go!
Ooh!
So good! Let's put on some lipstick. This is a lipstick.
Wow!
I like this lipstick color.
Eyelens.
Wow.
She is a pretty girl.
Oh, I'm scared.
This.
Ooh!
That's it.
She looks great.
Hello, everybody.
Welcome to the zombie makeup session with me. Let's go!
Hi! Hello!
I am Enid.
Nice to meet everyone.
Hmm.
Come on, let's go.
I like it.
Good!
This.
Let's color with me. Great!
Let's do it with me.
Let's go! La la la.
So good.
Wow!
What is it?
This is a blush compact.
Okay.
I want new hair.
Hair dye.
Let's go.
Let's begin.
Ooh, I love this hair color.
That's it.
This is BB cream. Good job.
Let's do it with me.
Yes, I love it.
Eyebrow. Woo! She looks great. Let's do this. Oh.
This gonna be good.
Mascara.
Wow! She is so beautiful.
Apply blush with me.
Come on, let's go.
Wow!
That's great.
Let's put on some lipstick.
Wow! She has very beautiful lips. Eye lens.
She is a pretty girl.
I'm scared.
Oh, wow!
This gonna be good.
Ooh, that's amazing.
Hi there.
Welcome to my vampire makeup session.
Ta-da!
My name is Elsa.
Aha!
This is a pencil case. Let's go!
I like it.
I'll draw it first.
La la la.
So good.
Let's color with me.
That's it.
I love it.
Good job.
Let's do it with me.
Very good. Wow. What is it?
Ta-da! That's great.
Okay.
Let's dye our hair together.
Hair dye. Ooh. Great.
Let's go. This is BB cream.
Ooh. That's great. Come on, let's go. I love this skin tone.
This.
Oh, wow.
So good.
Let's begin. Excellent!
Let's put on some lipstick. Ta-da!
Wow!
She has very beautiful lips.
I don't like it. I'm scared. Hi there.
Welcome to the zombie makeup session with me. Let's go. I am Elsa.
Nice to meet everyone. Come and let's go. Oh, wow!
This is a pencil case. This. Ta-da! I'll draw it first.
La la la. Good job.
I like it.
Let's color with me.
Very good.
Let's do it with me.
That's great.
Wow.
Oh, what's that?
Ta-da!
Ooh.
Okay.
I want new hair.
Hair dye.
So good. Let's go.
Wow.
I love this hair color. This is BB cream.
Okay.
Come and let's go. Oh, I love this skin tone.
That's it.
Whoa, I'm scared. Oh, wow. She looks great.
Okay.
Let's begin. Ooh. Wow! She is so beautiful.
This is a lipstick. She has very beautiful lips. Let's go on.
Eyelens. Good. I'm scared. I don't like it. Oh, yes.
Ta-da!
Great.
Oh.
I'm scared.
Oh.